Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make perfect buns. If you've been struggling on how to make buns, this video is for you. So I'm starting up with a condensed milk. You can use dry pig milk, mix it with water. You can use pig milk, whichever one you have, just use milk. Next, I'm going to be going in with 2 eggs. I'll crack 2 eggs into it and then mix it nicely and keep it aside. Buns is one of the street food you'll find in Nigeria. Like, we really love to eat buns. So guys, as you can see, I am mixing the egg with the condensed milk together. Once I'm done, I'm going to set it aside. So next, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of flour in a bowl, and then I'm going to be adding my sugar and then mix it up nicely. So guys, I am using self-rising flour. So if you are using plain flour, you might need to add baking powder. Next, I added sugar and I added butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Once you are done mixing the butter and the flour, it's going to look like this. Next, I'm going to be pouring in my mixture, which is the condensed milk and the egg. I'll pour it in and then mix it up nicely. So remember, you can always add water if the mixture is not the way you want it to be. So next, I decided to add water because it's not soft the way I want it to be. So I added a little quantity of water on it, and then I continue to mix it up again. At this point, the mixture is just perfect, soft and stretchy. If you're mixing your buns, make sure the mixture is light and is stretchy, just like what you're seeing now. To the point you can cut it into the hot oil without it sticking much on your hand. Then you know your buns is ready to fry. Next, I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes just to allow the mixture to set in before I begin to fry it. So if you add baking powder on your own, just cover it and allow the baking powder to set in. So that is it. So next, I'm adding my sunflower oil in a pot. You can use olive oil, you can use groundnut oil, whichever oil you have is still going to be nice. So I just allow the oil to heat and then I'll begin to cut the buns into the oil and then fry it in a low heat. One of the mistakes some people make when they are frying their buns is that they fry the buns in a high heat. If you fry your buns in a high heat, it's not going to be done. Inside of the buns is going to be watering. So fry it in a low heat and continue to turn it side by side until it becomes golden brown. So guys, you can see how beautiful these buns look. If you are frying Nigerian buns and it's not crunchy like this outside, just know say that buns are no be Naija get that buns. Next, I'm going to just place it in a paper foil and allow it to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then that is it. Your buns is ready. See how beautiful it looks. It looks so nice, crunchy at the outside and soft in the inside. This is one of my best recipe when it comes to making buns. Look how beautiful it looks inside. Very soft inside and the outside just look crunchy, just the way I like it. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Let's have a conversation down there. See you all on my next video. Bye.